Well, when we bought our house here, we kind of always wanted to do solar panels, but the roof didn't need to be replaced for about 8 to 9 years. Well, we've made the decision and we're going to go ahead and get them up. It'll kind of be 3 stages, but come on in and take a look what it takes to get solar panels up on the house. Well, for us, here's kind of step 1 of getting solar panels up on the roof. We had to have our roof redone, so Perry is out here taking care of it. Today, kind of phase 2 of getting solar is we have to upgrade our electrical panel. This one's 100 amp and it only has so many slots. We need a few more slots and have to upgrade it. So the electrician will be here a little later today and we'll get a brand new one of these. Woohoo! And here it is, just kind of on the inside. But once again, I'm gonna get a whole upgrade to the entire electrical box. Yeah, so here we go, the new box coming in, not all wired yet, the wire coming in from the meter. But once again, down here, this is extra space to be able to put in more trippers to wire things, and for us, ideally, the solar. But there we go, a new 200 amp, right, to have everything ready to put in the solar panels. Well, it may not look like much yet, but this is basically a little power plant. I dropped the solar panels off. You can see them all kind of lined up in there. But these are the solar panels, which they're going to put up here in a couple of days. Yeah, so here are the panels themselves. And you can see they're pretty big. These are not the like 3x5 size. These things are pretty good size. But, yeah, get them up on the roof and install their own power station. Pretty cool. And you can see all the mounts up on the roof where they're going to put them. These are the inverters. Now, inverters are probably the single most important piece of equipment outside of the solar panel itself. These are what convert DC, direct current, which is what a solar panel creates, into AC, or alternating current, which is what our appliances and everything in the house uses. Now we went with, it's an inverter per solar panel. That means if one of them were to go out for some reason, malfunction, etc., the rest of the panels would continue to work. And here, solar panels just up on the roof, right? Yet to be installed, but you can see the inverters there off to the side. Guy's taking a short break in between, but here we go. And here we have solar panels right all up, ready to go. Now just the design of our house where the sun comes up, tree in the yard, etc. The bulk of them were designed to go on kind of what I would consider the back of the house, with 3 of them kind of up here on what's the front of our house. Like I say, our house has kind of a little bit of a funny design on that front side, so not as much nice flat space, but here we go. And finally, here's the whole panel after it's all been done. Now this was the old meter, and we had to wait almost 5 to 6 weeks to finally get in the new meter. So we had everything installed ready to go, and basically had to wait on GRU to put this one in instead of that one, and then flip the big switch. But there we go, completely solar panel ready to go, what our boxes look like. And there you go, that's it. For us, 3 steps, right? Roof, box, and then the panels, getting them on. How have they worked? Pretty well. Ideally, it's supposed to be like 0. Honestly, we sell electricity during the day and then we buy it back at night. Our electricity bill has gone down a lot, but we're probably more like 70 to 80% using the solar and still buy maybe about 20% of the electricity. Of course, it varies from, month to month, depending on sun and all that good stuff. But there we go. solar panels on the roof.